Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really lightweight and portable dolly and shopping cart that you can either use, for example, going out camping or perhaps to a kid's soccer game. This actually is extremely lightweight, does have nice rubberized wheels that glide really well. These are rubberized and it does have the kind of off-road pattern in there, about a 7-inch wheel on this. It extends out really well as far as that goes, and it also extends out vertically by pressing this button. It has lots of different settings, can go all the way up so that you've got a full-size dolly that you can use to move things around. But the nice feature with this, aside from the collapsibility, is this 600D Oxford fabric bag. This actually can open up like this in storage. It's actually got these side flaps in here to add side support. That basically makes this a nice solid bag that you can use, a 70-liter capacity bag with interior pockets that allows you to take things like, I don't know, maybe some charcoal or something to go camping with and attach it back on. This actually on the back side here has a strap that will go around this dolly, so whenever you're going to go someplace, you can actually strap it on, get it down on here, and then this back strap locks in place so that if you're going to be traveling a lot, you do have the ability to do that. Quick access pockets for cell phones, lighters, anything that you're going to want to have back there. Excellent handles on the side is for excellent carrying capacity if you're just wanting to carry this bag. Waterproof bag. Does have the Velcro straps, kind of give it some wind resistance on there as well. So very cool. Does have a lot of nice features that allow you to travel on or off the road, so that whenever you're ready to go out on your next camping trip, this is a great opportunity for you to utilize this wonderful piece of equipment that will easily collapse down when you're ready to use it next.